students, good morning all of you. Study I taught you the best Christmas present in the world, first paragraph. Today I will teach you second paragraph, means second part of the chapter. तो इन इसमें जो है लेखक वो पत्र जब निकालता है ड्रावर से तो फिर वो पढ़ना स्टार्ट करता है। सेकंड पार्ट में, चैप्टर के सेकंड पार्ट में पूरा लेटर का वर्णन किया गया है, पत्र का वर्णन कि उसने पत्र में क्या क्या लिखा। तो लेट अस सी। डियरेस्ट कोनी, आई राइट टू यू ए मच हैप्पियर फ्रेम ऑफ माइंड बिकॉज समथिंग वंडरफुल हैज जस्ट हैपेंड that I must tell you about at once. We were all standing in our trenches Friday morning, Christmas morning. It was crisp and quite all about as beautiful a morning as I have ever seen, as cold and frosty as a Christmas morning should be. So here Jim McPherson wrote a letter to his wife Connie, and he told that he was standing near his trench and he found that morning was very fine and frosty. I should like to be able to tell you that we began it, but the truth I am ashamed to say is that Fritz began it first. Someone saw a white flag waving from the trenches opposite. Then they were calling out to us from across no man's land. Fritz, there is a word, student, Fritz. Fritz is the word popular German nickname, means the soldiers of German are called Fritz, and Tommy used to refer a common soldier in British Army. So Jim McPherson saw from the opposite sides a man was waving his hand and he has a white flag and waving his hand saying this, Happy Christmas Tommy, Happy Christmas. When we had got over the surprise, some of us shouted back, same to you. A voice came from the other side, Happy Christmas. So they also answered, Happy Christmas to you. In this way, they were calling us to from across Christmas. Same to you, Fritz, same to you. I thought that would be that we all did it, but then suddenly one of them was up there in his grey coat and wearing a white flag. Means a German soldier has flag and waving his hand, and he was saying that Happy Christmas to all of you, Tommy. Already I told you, Tommy is used to refer a common soldier in British Army. Don't shoot, lads, someone shouted, and no one did it. Then there was another fridge up on the parapet and another, keep your hands down. I told the men, it's a trick, but it was not. Means at that time he was shouted, don't shoot, Happy Christmas to all of you. These things described by Jim McPherson in his letter. In this way, I told men it's One of the Germans was waving a bottle above his head. It is a Christmas day. Tommy, we have sauces, we meet you. Yes, by this time there were dozens of them walking towards across no man's land and not a rifle between them. Little Private Morris was first up. Come on, boys, what are we waiting for? And then we was not stopping them. I was the officer. I should have stopped them there and then, I suppose, but the truth is that it never even occurred to me. I should all along their line and hours I could see men walking slowly towards one another, grey coats, khaki coats, meeting in the middle, and I was one of them. I was part of this. In the middle of the war, we were making peace. तो स्टूडेंट्स, मैंने आपको बताया कि दोनों सेनाएं, जर्मन सेनाएं और ब्रिटिश सेनाएं अपने अपने ट्रेंचेज में एक दूसरे के आमने सामने खड़ी हुई थी। इसी बीच जर्मन सैनिकों में से एक सैनिक हाथ में फ्लैग लिए हुए, वाइट फ्लैग लिए हुए जो है, और फ्लैग को ऊपर उठाए हुए, हाथ को हिलाते हुए बाहर आता है और वो कहता है कि डोंट शूट मी, डोंट शूट मी, हैप्पी क्रिसमस टू ऑल ऑफ यू। और इस तरीके से सेम वे ब्रिटिश आर्मी से भी यही जवाब दिया जाता है, हैप्पी क्रिसमस टू ऑल ऑफ यू। इस तरीके से दोनों सेनाएं नो मैंस लैंड के बीच में आती हैं और एक दूसरे को बधाइयाँ देती हैं, एक दूसरे से गले मिलते हैं और क्रिसमस डे का वो सेलिब्रेशन करते हैं। Thank you, students, having with me, listening to me, and we are meeting tomorrow with a new paragraph. Thank you. Have a good day. Revise your paragraphs 2 times. Thank you.